Okay, this is on top of the summit of Hornisgrinde, which is 1155 meters high, and that's the view into the Rhine Valley, and then eventually France is on the other side of the Rhine Valley. And up here, apparently there were French military installations during the Cold War. There's still some kind of shed. The tower has been there for a while. It's very slippery, as you can see. A lot of ice on the trails, so it's not a complete pleasure really to hike, because you can actually fall every minute. And that's the chalet the mountain hut, which is on top of the summit. It's called Grinde Hut. This is the old military installation. I think it was already there during the Nazi times, because there's also a bunker here which says 1939 until 1999. So maybe you could visit the bunker in former times. And in 2007 there was a big storm called Lothar, which uprooted lots and lots of trees in the national park and in the Black Forest in general. So this is the bunker, which goes into the mountain somehow, and the tower, which is called Bismarck Tower. See, that's the bunker. It goes inside. Nice blue sky. This tower was built in 1910. So you can actually drive up to this point in your car. There's also a bus going up. Yeah, let's just hope that the path is not too slippery. As soon as there's shade, you actually cannot walk properly. So the summit is quite barren, as you can see, and there's a really nice view. From here. Lots of antennas. You can still see the damage which was done, inflicted on this area by the storm Lothar in 2007. It takes there's some smog down in the Rhine Valley.